For each of the following sequences, find the rule for the nth term and hence find the 21st term. Now remember, for a geometric, Tn will be AR to the n minus 1. Now with this sequence, which we've seen before, we know that A is equal to 3 and R is equal to 2. So Tn is going to be 3 multiplied by 2 to the n minus 1. For the 21st term, we take n is 21. So T21 is going to be 3 multiplied by 2 to the 21 take away 1, which is 3 multiplied by 2 to the power 20. We can calculate that. So 3 multiplied by 2 to the power 20, and that is going to be 3,145,728. Now clearly we would need the calculator for a question like that. So once we have the nth term, we could go back to the sequence generator. And then we have 3 multiplied by 2 to the power n minus 1. And then we could generate the sequence below. Now this time I've got the sigma turned on, but remember, if you want to turn that off, it's just there. Let's regenerate the sequence without it. So we're wanting the 21st term. So here it is. Just click on there, and then we've got 3,145,728. Now, with this sequence, we decided that A was equal to 16, and that R was equal to negative a half, or we could write that as negative 0.5. And therefore, Tn is 16 multiplied by negative 0.5 to the n minus 1. So it's just a case in this formula of replacing A with the first term and R with the common ratio. So T21 is going to be 16 multiplied by negative 0.5 to the 21 take away 1, so that's to the power 20. We just need to calculate that. So 16 multiplied by negative 0.5 to the power 20, and do make sure that's in a bracket, and then that gives us this answer here. Now the answer is a decimal, and it's also in scientific notation. I might just see what that looks like as a fraction, and that looks much better as a fraction, doesn't it? So 1 over 65536. So I'll probably give that as my answer, unless I'm asked to give it as a decimal to so many decimal places or whatever. Now let's go to this last one. We'd identified that A was 1/8 and that R was equal to 2. So Tn is going to be 1/8 multiplied by 2 to the n minus 1. So T21 is going to be 1/8 multiplied by 2 to the 21 take away 1, which is 20. So what we have there is 1/8, and we're going to multiply that by 2 to the power 20, and that gives me 131,072.